In today's video, I'm going to be going through how you can grow from 0 all the way to 10,000 followers organically. If you are struggling to build a following on Instagram, I suggest you stick around for this one. Thank you guys for joining me for yet another video. Now, if you are only just discovering one of my videos, my name is Ryan and I grow and monetize Instagram theme pages. I also want to put a disclaimer right now in the video because I'm not selling you guys a course anywhere in this video or any of my other videos. In fact, that's not me. I don't want to be that spammy guy who's just constantly promoting fake stuff. All I ask in return is that you go down below, smash the like button and comment some video ideas for me. It really does help sort of knowing what you guys want to see from me, so commenting video ideas does help. Right, enough rambling now. Let's get straight into the meat of the video. So when you're starting your account, your first step that you should be concentrating on most is actually optimizing it. And by optimize, I mean sort of set up your account properly. So I suggest also creating a Facebook page and connecting it. This is so you can actually schedule your posts using Facebook Creator Studio. If you'd like another video, me going through how to schedule your posts using Facebook Creator Studio, drop that in the comments down below. So next off, you want to pick a niche. I suggest picking a niche that you're actually interested in so you don't get bored posting to it. If you don't actually enjoy posting to the niche you're in, you're just not going to post and therefore your account is going to die. So next off, you want to sort of think about optimizing your profile itself. This includes your bio, your profile picture, your highlight and your username. So first off, let's talk about your bio. Here's a screenshot of my page. As you can see, the bio goes by the emoji and then a line and then a sentence layout. And the fourth line in this bio is always a call to action. A call to action is pretty much where you're telling your users to do something. And mine is following's free, right? And this sort of intrigues your user to follow you. So yeah, adopt this sort of style for your bio and you will do great. So next off, let's talk about your profile picture. Here's the profile picture I'm using for my page now. This makes my page sort of self-explanatory to know what it's about. It's because it's got a Nissan GTR in the middle and then a world around it, hence the name Nissan GTR World. This links swiftly into the next point, which is our username. You may be wondering, how did I pick this username? There's a big story behind that, but I won't save that for this video. If you wanted to pick a good username for yourself, make it something catchy and easy to understand, I suggest not putting any dots, underscores or numbers in your username. This is just not very visually appealing to your followers. And the last thing you want to do is push potential followers away. So next is your highlights. A lot of people sort of push this factor away, but your highlights are very important. This provides sort of a more engaging way to interact with your audience because you can put anything from polls, questions and hidden hashtags on there as well. And if you are having highlights on your page, make sure you upload to each of them at least once per week. If not, delete them. Now, you want to develop a hashtag strategy. If you're wanting to go from 0 followers to 10,000 followers, you need to have a good hashtag strategy. I suggest in each hashtag set having 30 hashtags. Each hashtag itself needs to have sort of between 10,000 and 80,000 posts on it. This is so it's not too big that you won't be able to get any reach from it, but it's not small enough so that you can't explode using it. I hope that makes sense, but sort of it's a middle ground. I suggest also having between 3 and 4 hashtag sets that you can rotate between. This does save a lot of time and makes your page explode a bit more. So next off, let's talk about your posting frequency. You should be posting 5 feed posts per day and 2 reels on top of that. The timings for these are as follows. For your feed posts, 9 AM, 12 AM, 3 PM, 6 PM and 9 PM, and your reels, 4 PM and 6 PM. Follow this religiously and you will see good growth. So now let's sort of talk about what you should be posting. The content you should be posting, I recommend posting videos more than photos. This is because the Instagram algorithm for some reason likes it a lot more, but also do post photos from time to time because some of your audience will enjoy those more than videos. On your actual posts themselves, I advise tagging a location in if you can. This is because you can actually pop up on the explore page for that location. So if someone from Miami, for example, wants to go, oh, I'm going to type in Miami, click the location and your post could come up. This leads to you getting more exposure, which why wouldn't you want that? So the actual content itself that you should be posting should be viral content. You can find viral content by going onto other similar pages in your niche that are bigger than you and see which posts did well for them. These posts are more likely to do well on your page as well, so post those. Now, something people don't really talk about much are stories. I want to see you guys completely taking advantage of these. Post at least 1 story per every 24 hours. And also when you're posting that story, use some story strategies. 3 story strategies I advise are the poll strategy, the hidden hashtag strategy, and the question strategy. These will look very different, but all serve the same purpose, optimizing your growth and performing good in the algorithm. Now let's go back a bit to reels. Let's focus on them a bit more. Reels are completely overpowered. If you are not already posting 2 reels a day, you are missing out here massively. Reels are what is going to explode your page and explode your growth. I've had great experience with reels. I've grown an account from 0 to 10,000 followers in about a week using one reel that got 4 million views. So make sure you're posting your reels twice per day at 5 PM and 7 PM. Now wait, have you guys liked the video yet? If you haven't already, please go down below and smash the like button for YouTube algorithm. This helps my channel to be seen by a wider audience and helps me grow. Cheers guys. Now back into the video and we're going to go slightly off topic here, but you're going to see why. So to actually get organic growth, I recommend kickstarting it with some of these tactics or strategies. So the first strategy I sort of recommend to sort of kickstart this growth would be the follow strategy. This is where you're going on to post by similar pages in your niche niche, you'll go into a post they posted in the last half an hour and you're following 150 of these people per day who have liked it. I recommend doing this in increments of 75 and 75. The next strategy you could use to sort of boost your organic growth would be the $80 strategy. The $80 strategy translates into you leaving your 2 cents on 90 pieces of content per day. I recommend doing this for only 30 to start with and building up so you do not get action blocked. The things you should be commenting on other people's posts should be nice things that add value onto the post, not just,
oh, I like your post, this is great.
To add something onto it, show you're knowledgeable in the subject, which will make people follow you more. So I recommend using these two strategies up to about 3,000 and 5,000 followers, because that's when you start receiving your proper organic growth. And once you do hit between 3,000 and 5,000 followers, make sure to unfollow all the people you have followed. And again, do these in 75 and 75 increments per day to avoid action block. You will now start to receive organic growth from the Instagram algorithm. To increase the algorithm picking your posts up, do these. Number one is post more. If you're posting more, the algorithm is more likely to pick your posts up and make them do better. Number two is to post more viral content. If the content you're posting isn't very viral, it's less likely to explode in your page as well. So I recommend the only content you should be posting is viral from now on. Number three is to post more engaging reels and more engaging content in general. If the content you're posting isn't engaging and isn't making your users want to comment, like, and share, then this content is not good enough. Seek better content, which will mean you'll get better results from your page. Now, I really want to stress this last factor, keeping consistent. You need to keep consistent with this because it will not be an overnight thing. Sometimes this takes months and months and months to perfect. Once you've built up that momentum, you will do great. I'm a firm believer that consistency is the difference between someone who fails and someone who succeeds, so take that in mind. Now, thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. I wanted to also mention that only about 10% of my viewers are actually subscribed. If you guys wouldn't mind going down below, smash the subscribe button, that really does help me out. You can always unsubscribe if my content is not good enough for you. And last but not least, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This really does help my channel out. And if you wanted to stay to the end of this video to see one of my most recent videos, then feel free. I'll see you there, guys. Cheers.